BtoB's
Use all your strength, Tyra.
Oh, by the way, stupidity is everywhere in this video. It's BtoB.
You've seen it? Why?
I didn't watch all of it. Wait, I didn't watch all of it.
Wait, this is where Kai filmed the thing.
Kai?
Yeah.
He's so cute!
Something stupid.
What?
You're driving.
Oh! Look at there!
I love you.
This is, oh my.
Ketchup! That clothes that he's wearing, I still wear that a lot. So ghetto.
Changsub's so cute.
No. No.
He's so cute!
Ramen hair. No.
Ramen hair.
Oh, you'll die, Minhyuk.
I saw!
No, his rap, you'll die. I die.
What?
Daniel.
I'm telling you, it's stupid.
Daniel's
I love when Korean everything rhymes.
Are they wearing something?
Yes. Oh, Daniel!
so
He's so cute!
I like her hair.
Wait, you can't actually look hot.
Yeah. I'm Sung Jae.
Why is that guys with silver hair sometimes they look really
Oh, that's so cute!
Wait, that look weird.
What the heck?
This dance move is just...
What?
Oh.
What? Why is it
Wait,
cute?
that looks like this.
Yeah, her. What?
Ketchup. Tiny cake.
Yeah.
Watch the music video, child.
Oh, you'll go back. She'll go back.
Whoa. I felt that. I mean, beautiful and hot and handsome.
Wait, can you not? I'm gonna fall. You should watch BTS last.
Yeah.
Ba-ba. Ba-ba. Ba-ba.
Oh!
You just need a new teaser?
I don't watch the teaser.
Either.
I still can.
Oh,
That's so cute, the car though.
Why am I hitting myself?
Let me show you guys.
So warm.
It's her. I want that.
Chinese house now.
Wow.
I aspire tattoo.
Tattoo? I'll let girl.
Can he always keep the hair with the hat? He looks so bad without a hat.
Who?
Minhyuk.
Yeah.
Where did this car come from?
What's the other red car?
No parking area. 뛰뛰빵빵. Alright, go stop it. I will do it. Next one, top dog.